You know we're junkies for ribs and wings around here, but we don't always have enough time during the week to wait 5+ hours for ribs or 2 hours for wings. And lately it's been so damn hot out there, it's like stepping out into an oven. So when Cosori said that they were gonna send us their TurboBlaze air fryer for us to give a real chance in our barbecue mode, we thought, you know what? Let's see if we can do ribs and wings in an air fryer and make it actually good. Cheers.
Air fryer out.
Basement.
All right, here we are. We got a rack of ribs. We're gonna go ahead and season them up. Again, pork barrel barbecue. I can't believe we're doing air fryer ribs. I'm a little excited.
I've made a lot of good stuff in the air fryer in the winter. My original one is a Cosori. It's still now in my man cave at the bar for like late night wings, or it was very old and still pumps.
Wrap nice and tight. All right, these are going back in the fridge and we're gonna unbox that TurboBlaze and see what's going on.
I like the name TurboBlaze.
Cosori TurboBlaze 6.0. I can't wait, hopefully, to replace that thing. That thing's not very good, to be honest.
Thank you. Trash.
No, that's a cookbook, actually.
I was joking, there's a cookbook in here, I didn't see that. English muffin breakfast sandwich. Burgers, corn, baking.
Yeah, one of the things that this has that I love is the dehydrator function. I've never figured out how I'm gonna do beef jerky. If this thing dehydrator function, you just set it to 160 degrees on dehydrate mode, and in 4 to 6 hours, you got yourself beef jerky. I'm looking forward to doing that, actually.
Oh yes.
Very sleek.
Oh yeah. So yeah, she's big.
A couple of the advantages to this thing, according to the interwebs, it's got 5 fan speeds because it has a DC motor. So most air fryers apparently have an AC motor, which means they can only do 1 speed and they're inefficient. So if you're dehydrating, it can be at speed 1 on low heat. If you're air frying, it's like speed 5. You can do super hot, cook things very quickly. So you were looking actually at it on Amazon.
Over 10,700 reviews and it's 5 stars, so.
Because there's always people that hate something. I think actually it's the only one on Amazon that has 5 stars.
Yeah.
I like that the controls are on the top. So yeah, go ahead and hit that power button. I think we need to, just like we would with a grill, do an initial burn-in, maybe 400.
400.
10 minutes. That is way quieter than that thing I have over there. So air fry, roast, broil, frozen.
I did a frozen ribeye in air fryer. Perfect. I pulled it out. I put seasoning on, put it in frozen. I'm salivating.
When you told me that, I
didn't believe
incredulous.
I didn't believe it either, but it's a thing.
The initial burn-in is done, it's preheated. We're gonna go ahead and put the ribs in at 380 degrees for 25 minutes.
25 minutes. I like the controls.
Yeah, the touchscreen is very nice and responsive. So now let's put the, I reset it.
That'll work.
That works.
6 quarts.
Look at that, I remembered what I said.
I did.
All right, play.
Play the video.
Play the video. All right, we're off and running.
Play pause, play pause.
I gotta be honest with you, you know me, I'm a little skeptical.
Always, yes.
You know, I like smoke flavor and all that kind of stuff. I don't know if I'll be happy or sad if this works. If I can pull these out and feed my daughter ribs with good barbecue sauce on it, and she's like, these are amazing.
Yeah, that goes
That's all
a
that
long way,
matters.
Yeah.
Are you
Cheers to
choosing?
Cosori. Yeah.
All right, cheers. So we went through the 25 minutes wrapped, and then we took it out and basted it in barbecue sauce and put it in for 10 minutes. Let's ThermoPro this with the lightning. So we're at 175 there. Yeah, so 187. We're gonna go ahead and baste a little bit more.
They're looking good, smelling good.
They look good and smell fantastic.
I can hear you salivating.
Yeah, what does that sound like? All right, so let's put this back in and let's go up to 10 minutes.
Yeah, let's go to 10.
All right, we think these are ready. Let's go ahead and pull them out.
Oh, they're looking good.
Look fantastic.
Sizzling.
We're gonna eat them hot. We're not even gonna let them rest. Forever tongs, I'll hold, you cut.
Let's see, where the hell's this? Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. That looks amazing.
Okay.
Whew. Cheers.
Cheers.
Damn, that's good. It's super tender.
It's got a crisp. Yeah, can't complain.
I could definitely do this on a Monday night for the family. Damn, this is good. Consider me impressed. You know what? I just had some of that barbecue sauce caramelized.
This is bomb.
Barbecue candy.
I like it a lot.
While this has been cooking, we had ribs on the smoker. We're gonna take those and finish them in the air fryer. You basically got an hour and a half smoked ribs on your hands. 385, let's say 16. let's transfer them to the other side and baste.
Show. I like the caramelized barbecue sauce, which doesn't always happen on the smoker.
The caramelized barbecue sauce was excellent. Ooh boy.
To a 5.
We're definitely good.
They are sizzling.
That cut through very easy. That's damn good.
Such little time, that's money.
Yeah, for an hour and a half, ribs.
And the smoke ring.
And a smoke ring. I feel like it's a little bit sacrilege what I'm doing right now.
Me too, but
I can't deny it. I'm devouring these.
I gotta say I approve.
Me as well.
And they got competition bite. Imagine if you showed up to a competition with an air fryer.
And won?
Yeah.
All right, next up is wings. You brought your McCormick.
Oh, lemon pepper.
Lemon pepper. The wings are gonna be 395 degrees for 15 minutes.
Wow, amazing.
That's crazy. All right. We did flip them at 15 minutes and then go another 10 minutes. They are ready. Listen to that sizzle. They look gorgeous.
Crackling in the basket.
Crackling in the basket.
Lemon pepper.
This is lemon pepper. And?
You may taste all of them?
This backside.
Hold on.
One lemon pepper for you, one lemon pepper for me.
I think we should wait like 30 seconds.
All
this
right.
is...
Go ahead and count down for the people.
30, 29, 28, 10, 9, get ready, 8, 2, 1, unite!
Okay, cheers.
Seems like good range. Juicy as hell.
Holy crap. Look at the steam. Man, that is good. You know what? I really like that lemon seasoning.
So what was the total time?
Total time was 25 minutes, man.
So smoked fried wings are an hour when you're hot.
And they're crispy on the outside.
Juicy on the inside.
Holy crap.
It's hot, but
These are no joke.
I'm not ready to accept it mentally, but they are very good.
I need to get another one. Man, it's so good.
Give me an Old Bay.
Here, you grab it, because I got ranch hands.
Ain't nothing wrong with ranch hands.
They've been in my mouth.
You convinced me. I can't stop eating it, dude. It's super hot, but it's so good. Once it hit your lip. Remember Frank the Tank? Frank the Tank.
I'm just leaving a bone field, and you are too.
They're bomb. So for me to start my charcoal, 30 minutes at least. Prep everything, put the olive oil.
And when it's 105 or 110
you don't wanna
degrees,
go
feels
outside.
like out there. The Cosori TurboBlaze,
6 quart.
yeah, is amazing, I would say. In fact, I'm getting rid of this right now. Yeah, we're gonna take this out. It's the trash.
Goodbye.
Much prettier.
New staple.
I can still put this on, which my wife likes.
And then we gotta do some jerky.
Well, we're gonna do that next.
But we need to do deer jerky.
Do we?
You hunt deer, you know you have it. It's frozen in your fridge.
Yes. Thanks for hanging out.
See you next time. Shiny side in today.
Does that matter? I've always wondered.
When I worked at Wendy's, the lady was like, always shiny side out.
Is that right?
And I was like, are you joking? She's like, yeah, I'm joking.